Assalamu alaikum MHSTF fans. Today we are going to be unboxing an N10 phone.
It belongs to the OnePlus company. We have already gone ahead and taken out the instruction manuals. They come in this box, which looks like a phone, but it's not. It's full of three instruction manuals. A lot of reading to do.
So here is the phone. It looks pretty neat. Let's take out the cover. Look, it looks magnificent. Look at the color.
It has many new features, and right now it's currently has to be charged. Anyway, when you open the box and under the phone there is
the charger.
There's a charger with a very long cord. You have not much else in here, so they give you a quick start guide in which many instructions are written in different languages of how to do it.
Mostly Chinese.
And they have very nice and eye-catching slogans like "Never Settle" or "Quick Start Guide." That's more of a topic. That's more of a title.
So
anyway, what are the new features of this phone? Well, for starters, you might have noticed a circle on the back. So that is for your fingerprint. So when some people do this to open their phone, but now you can just put your finger on the finger scanner. Instead of doing here, you can just hold your phone and then put your finger on the back.
So it just scans it and it just opens.
It has a lot of cameras. And this one it has 4 cameras and a flashlight. You have three pins here. One is for the charger, one is for the bottom speaker, and the third one is the headphone jack. This one, this circle one. These two are the speakers. The volume buttons are the same. I think this time, in some phones there are different volume buttons, like one here and then one here, but this one only has down and up on the same connected. The power button is of the same length. The one thing I like about this phone is how neat it is. Right now it's getting a bit wet and dirty because of my sweaty hands. Anyway, it's a very nice phone, and inshallah we will be updating soon after we turn this on and log in. Stay tuned.
Assalamu alaikum.